I'm going to cover a broken vow. And here we go. Tell me his name, I want to know the way he looks and where you go. I need to see his face, I need to understand why you and I came to an end. Tell me again, I want to hear who broke my faith in all these years, who lays with you at night when I'm here all alone. Why do I was when you were on? I'll let you go, I'll let you fly. Why do I keep on asking why? I'll let you go now that I've found a way to keep somehow more than a broken vow. Tell me the words I never said. Show me the tears you never shed. Give me the touch, that one you promised to be mine. Or has it vanished for all time? I'll let it go, I'll let it fly. Why do I keep on asking why? I'll let it go now that I've found a way to keep somehow more than a broken vow. I close my eyes and dreamed of you and and then realized there's more to life than only bitterness and lies. I close my eyes, I give away my soul to you, to hold you once again and never let this moment end.